how much should you actually spend on golf balls? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, TaylorMade Distance Plus. Let's kick things off with the TaylorMade Golf Distance Plus golf balls. Priced at $19.99, this ball really caught my attention with its focus on speed. If you want longer drives without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Distance Plus features a React speed core that's all about explosive speed. The extended flight dimple pattern helps you cut through wind for longer flight time, which is a game changer on breezy days. Plus, with the Plus alignment aid, lining up your shots becomes a breeze, whether you're on the fairway or putting green. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 10,700 reviews averaging 4.7 stars indicate that many players are finding success with this ball. Now, some people complained about the feel being a bit firmer than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're someone looking primarily for distance rather than soft touch around the greens, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable ball that helps with distance without a high price tag. Skip this one if you prioritize a soft feel and are looking for something that excels in short game performance. For under $20, it's a solid value. Now, if the firmness of the Distance Plus bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for a softer feel while still delivering on distance. Product number 2, Callaway Supersoft 2025. Next up, we have the Callaway Golf Supersoft Golf Balls 2025 version for $26.97. This one caught my eye because of its impressive rating of 4.8 stars from around 4,800 reviews. If you want increased ball speed without sacrificing feel, this is worth a serious look. This means you can expect exceptional feel and control, especially during your short game. The hybrid cover not only gives you distance but also durability, allowing you to get more out of each ball. Plus, the greenside spin is enhanced, making those tricky approach shots easier. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a favorite among golfers. Now, some users mentioned that they didn't feel as much spin as they'd like on approach shots. Here's the thing though, if you're more focused on distance and soft feel, this trade-off might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a soft ball that feels great and helps with distance. Skip this one if you're a player who needs maximum spin around the greens. Honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit different. Product number 3, Callaway Supersoft. Now let's look at another option from Callaway, the Supersoft golf balls priced at $21.97. This one has a similar design to the previous model but is a two-piece construction. If you're looking for a balance of distance and softness, this is worth a serious look. Like the 2025 version, this Supersoft features the hyper-elastic soft fast core, which delivers increased ball speed along with that soft feel. The hybrid cover is also present, ensuring you get both distance and enhanced control around the greens. This consistency and performance is essential for high handicappers who want predictability in their game. Here's why this matters for you. It's rated at 4.8 stars from 5,200 reviews, which shows a solid approval rating. Now, some golfers found that the durability might not stand up as long as some premium balls. Here's the thing though, for the price and performance, it's still a great option for most casual players. This is perfect for you if you want a soft feel combined with decent spin and distance at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you're looking for a high durability option that can withstand rough play. For under $22, it's a smart buy. Now, if you're looking for something that's really focused on soft feel while still achieving distance, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 4, Callaway Supersoft 2023. The next one is the Callaway Golf Supersoft 2023 version, also priced at $21.97. What's interesting about this one is that it comes in a striking red color. If you want a ball that stands out and performs well, this is worth a serious look. This model also features the hyper-elastic soft fast core, ensuring that you get that increased ball speed and soft feel. The multi-layer construction helps create more wedge control while maximizing distance. For high handicappers, this means you can gain confidence in your short game shots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 9,100 reviews and an average rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that golfers are enjoying this version. Some users have commented that the red color can be hard to find in the grass. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a ball that performs well and don't mind a little hunt for visibility, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a ball that looks unique while providing excellent performance. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional color options. Honestly, for the performance at this price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're more interested in a ball focused on soft feel and control, the last product on our list takes a different approach. Product number 5, Titleist True Feel. Finally, we have the Titleist True Feel golf balls priced at $19.97. This ball really caught my attention because Titleist is known for quality. If you prioritize soft feel in your game, this is worth a serious look. The True Feel features a new True Touch core which offers a soft feel while ensuring you get long-distance shots. Plus, the softer 3 True Flex cover gives increased greenside spin and control, making it an excellent option if you often find yourself around the green. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a high rating of 4.8 stars from over 3,100 reviews, it's clear that many players trust this ball. Some reviewers mentioned that it might not have the same distance as firmer balls. Here's the thing though, if your game is more about feel and control rather than raw distance, this could be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you want a soft ball that provides great spin and control around the greens. Skip this one if you're looking strictly for maximum distance off the tee. For under $20, it's a fantastic value for those who love a soft feel. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great options for high handicappers. TaylorMade Distance Plus Callaway Supersoft 2025, Callaway Supersoft, Callaway Supersoft 2023, and Titleist True Feel. Each one has its strengths, so depending on your style and preferences, there's definitely a golf ball here that can help improve your game. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great options for high handicappers. TaylorMade Distance Plus Callaway Supersoft 2025, Callaway Supersoft, Callaway Supersoft 2023, and Titleist True Feel. Each one has its strengths, so depending on your style and preferences, there's definitely a golf ball here that can help improve your game.